Hi everybody. Today I got my Walmart Fall Beauty Box in the mail, and from Popsugar Dabble I got some samples from Macy's. Alright, so let's see what we got from Walmart. Here's the card. Walmart Beauty. With the descriptions of the items. And on the card is letting us know that there is a self-care beauty box coming this holiday season. So I'm looking forward to that. Alright, so according to this paper, I should have a sponge, a Burt's Bees facial cleanser, Dove exfoliating body polish, liquid IV, which I believe is a hydration supplement, and Invisible waiver. Of course, what I have in here could vary from that a bit, so let's see. There's the Real Technique sponge. I have one of these, and I do like them. They work really well. And this is Burt's Bees facial cleanser for sensitive skin. I've never tried this. Let's see if it's sealed or not. Yep, it's sealed. So I'll save this for when I'm ready to open another cleanser. And here is the Invisible waivers. They look like clips. Let me see if I can get this open. Okay, yeah, they are hair clips. They're pretty. I like them. Oh, the Real Technique sponge retails for $4.88, and this one retails for $6. And the entire box is only $7, so that's good. This is a deluxe sample size, so I don't know the value of this one. And then, oh, this is a surprise from Dashing Diva. The gloss nail polish. This is a stick-on nail polish. These retail for about $8, I believe. Between $7 and $8 or something like that. So just this pack of nail gloss is more than the price of the box. So that's a good deal. I think I might try one of these on. Okay. And then the last thing, I didn't get the body scrub or the hydration powder, but I got this Tanologist face and body drops sample. Okay, well, I have no need for that. So we got Invisible, Burt's Bees facial cleanser, the Real Techniques sponge, and the Dashing Diva gloss nails. And I'm going to try one of these on just to see how they look. It peels up like this. I'll stick it on. I know there's some nail prep involved, but I just want to see how it looks right away. I'll have to trim the edges off. But that's pretty. A nice shiny coat of nail polish. There it is. Okay, I like these. Okay, so that's the Walmart box. And from Popsugar Dabble, let's see what samples we got from Macy's. Okay. We got Bad Boy from Carolina Herrera. That's a men's cologne. And we have from Ralph Lauren, the Ralph's Club. This is another men's cologne. I don't know what this one smells like, so I want to try it out. Spray it on something. I always give the men's cologne samples to my son. So, let's see. This one has a nice fresh water type scent. So I like that one. And discover the scents you love. Macy's, the fragrance destination. Okay, and then from Dolce & Gabbana, we have this one called, I'm not sure, I guess it's just called K. This one also looks like a men's scent. So let's see. I've seen this one advertised, but I've never smelled it. So I'm going to find out now. There's the little spray bottle. Spray it on here. This one is nice too. It's stronger. It has kind of a green type scent. It's different though. It doesn't smell like most men's cologne. I like that. It's unique. You can smell the green and a little bit of spice. Okay. That's an interesting scent. And then the last one is also a men's cologne. This one is from Prada. It's called Ocean. There's the little spray bottle. See what this one smells like. Oh, I like that too. I see why they call it Ocean, because it has a really fresh water type scent too. That's nice. Okay, I don't know which one I like better. I think, let me see, between the Prada and the K. The Ralph Lauren and Bad Boy, which I've smelled before. I think I like the Prada one better. Yeah, that's nice. It has those fresh water scents along with something else that's more, along with something that's a little bit warmer or stronger. I'm thinking maybe bergamot or something. I'm not sure. But I like that one. This is nice. All right, so my son is in for a surprise. When he stops back in. Okay, so that's everything that I got in the Popsugar Dabble samples and the Walmart Fall Beauty Box. Thank you for watching. Bye.